point.
Vice President wa Uganda Law Society Asimwa Anthony kando wajwekera President wa Uganda Law Society Isaac Semakadde yashaba baramuzi obutaba babeyendeza bitu babanze bafeyo munonga akuhereza abantu.
Law Council has already told you how they are a watchdog, and you would not want to find yourself appearing before Law Council over ethical misconduct, because if it happens now, your career will die before it even leaves the garage. That will be the end of you, because it's the reputation you build. It will disorganize you completely. That's why amidst all that, it is very important, and you must uphold confidentiality, avoid conflict of interest, and honor your fiduciary obligations.
Ogwanja yagira ngo bwa hato mbaro gw'abaramuzi mu ihanga gwahika hari kashanju wajajanisa no mbaro gw'abanya-Uganda oguri ha miliyoni 5 ekirukwereka ngo abaramuzi nabacetagwa omwihanga.
And because sometimes the opportunities present themselves, we end up forgetting. So the pressures are a lot, financial, political, and even personal. But my request is that your moral compass must remain fixed. That is the only way you can survive in this profession.
Kandi baba mu baramuzi abakwasibwa certificate zabo baba bari munawo mikatambara byamugisha Moses n'abantu bagamba bamwe habi bari kwenda gukora.
Tube baloya abamazima tuhindure okucengo ku abantu binji bine ngu baloya nibabiha binebshuba kurjira byagamba na no kurjira okundi nyowe nkomuntu na nebyo abantu bagamba nimba hamizangu hariyo baloya abamazima
okureba ngo twaba baroya abaraletere abanya-Uganda ko heru okugaruka kugira ubwese byo muri za court za Uganda ahabwo kuba nko kumutwire murebe bitwire nibo mu koti obumwe abaroya bariho kwe abamwe nibetwazo umulingo gukuletera abantu bito baho amani
kuyaje kushoma amateka nkamwikiriza yakidamwikirize nkareba ngo naje kutonganira abantu aba batarukubasa kumanya ubugabe bwabo.
Uganda ni imwe mu nsi zikine baroya bakimunonga ubwo bari ahabicike 18 n'obutonyeza 8 aharigana wajajanisa n'amashoma gandi nkaga bashomesa n'abashaho gashoka jime muhumza.